Hello my friends, I welcome you all to the Creative Thinkers Hub channel. Today we are going to be seeing that how one could create this kind of an artwork where something like this, a page tear, could be made. So saying that, let's start. So we take a rectangle of size, let's say 80 by 40, and then from there we take another rectangle which is 12 by 40. Okay, now the reason being both are 40 is that it has to be of the same size. Okay, so uh, we align them and rotate this from this axis at -5 degrees. Okay, so this is going to be a part of our tear, the roll, and then once that is there, now let's start. So we take the smear tool. Okay, keep it at let's say 6 point and just smear it. It should look like a page tear. Yeah, something like this. Okay, don't have too deep edges. Reduce them by reducing the number. Yeah, do the same with this smaller one also, but with 4, and then take it there and align it. Give this a color, let's say pink with no outline. Take this here to this position, and this is going to be a roll, right? So we come here, take this at 0, make this color CMYK and let it be 0, 0, and this be 30. Okay, this last color again make it CMYK and make this 60. Okay, now there should be a central color that we keep it as white and position it at 30, 40. Okay, and now we give this also a no outline. So this looks now like a barrel, and now we have to make the additional uh, curves. So for that we take a rectangle. Yeah, something like that. So let it be small, 5 by 12, let's say. 5 by 10, and position it up and convert it to curves, and then delete this one node that is on top. Now again take our smear tool, make this small and smear it a little bit. Fine. Now with the interactive fill, just copy this fill and let it be, and increase the size if need be. Give it a no fill and place it behind. Fine. Now what we do, we adjust this a little bit. Right. Okay. Now we copy paste this and enlarge it. And place it right behind. Okay. Once that is done, now we adjust both of them in such a way that they look like a tear, or they look like a roll up of the tear. Now, considering that this is the behind part, so we give it a slightly bigger shape, and now we change the color. The behind part, so it has to be darker, so we keep it 60. We move this behind so it looks a little out, and make this 100. Yeah, okay, so this is going to be a darker part. Fine. So that's looked like the perfect roll up. Okay, now we work on this part and give it a shadow. Now, just so that we know that how our shadow is looking, we give it a background, say multiply, and then we come here, make it straight at 0 and 2. Okay, and then we break it apart. Now, once that is done, what we are going to do is come here, again go down, and in the same way make it 0 and -2. Okay, we want it in the same direction downwards also, and same, break the shadow apart. So what happens, that the shadow is there around the tear and it gives you a 3D kind of an image. Now in this also we are going to apply two shadows. One shadow is our inner shadow, so that we get that roll effect. Yeah, that's good. Fine. And now we we break that apart too. And now we use keep this on the side. We use the same object and we give it another shadow. And this is going to be the outside shadow. Okay, so this is going to give our effect on the outside part. Got it? We give this a flat shadow and a small glow and make it black with, and break it apart again. So this is going to give a shadow uh, on the tear, right? Now taking this, what we are going to do, give this a shadow over here. Again, let's put this on the side. Okay, we select this small part, make it, copy paste it, make it black, and then give it a Gaussian blur. That's it. Okay, 15.3 is good enough, and put it behind so that there is depth in the whole thing. Now we select the big one and this, and reduce the size so that, I think what we did before was a little big. Adjust them and put this back. Reduce the size of the shadow if need be, if you think it's too big. And Then last, align all of them where they are supposed to be. Go into the wireframe if need be. Select this, copy paste it, and put this shadow that we had created, the Gaussian blur. You put it down here. Shift page down, and so that at the lower part also you're getting some kind of a depth. The idea is to get a depth, don't go on the shape. Okay, and that completes our page tear. Now you take this and copy paste it here, and that's how it's going to look. Okay, so this is complete. Once you add text in it, this is how it's going to look. And my friends, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and do not forget to share, because only sharing increases your knowledge. Thank you.